Well, I continue to learn about maintenance on a sailboat, and it's quite a challenge for someone who has no mechanical or electrical ability at all. I've done 2 previous videos about problems with my air conditioner on my sailboat, and the first problem turned out to be a loose prong in my shore power connector, which caused the one phase of the electrical circuit for the air conditioner to go in and out. So I would go from 120 to 60 volts, and when it went to 60 volts, the pump wouldn't run, the air conditioner wouldn't run. I may have damaged the control board on the air conditioner, not sure, but wound up having to replace it. I replaced the board in that control box, which was quite an endeavor for me, especially since there was probably nothing wrong with it, and like I said, it wound up being just simply tightening a screw on the shore power connection on the back of the boat. The next problem was the through hull, not really the through hull, but the valve was rusting away, and that had to be replaced. So once that was replaced, it wasn't long before, man, my bilge was filling up very fast with water, and I traced it down to water flowing out of the bottom of the condensation drain pan for the air conditioner, and I thought I had sprung a leak. So I contacted a few people about checking it out, and the over-the-phone estimates was $3,500 to take the old one out and put a new one in, because if it had a leak, it was easier to replace it with a new one, and almost as cost-effective as trying to take the old one out, find the leak, fix the leak, put it back in. So $3,500 is what I was looking at. Thankfully, I mentioned it to a fellow sailor, and he said, "Chuck, your drain pan is clogged." Well, that's exactly what it was. And this boat has a suction-powered drain. So this line is actually a suction-powered drain from the condensation pan under the air conditioner. The outflow of the raw water cooling for the air conditioner rushes past this point, creates a suction, and it sucks the water up from the condensation pan. That filter was completely clogged, causing the pan to overflow, causing it to run all over the place into the bilge. And I thought that I had a leak. No, I just had a clogged filter on that drain system. And so it was that simple. I didn't find it. My sailor friend told me what it was. He came on board, we saw it, and it was fixed in 10 minutes. So I was 10 minutes away from spending $3,500, and that did not need to be spent. I think a steak dinner is in order, and that's what I'm going to provide. So anyway, it's a continuing learning experience, And if you are having problems with your air conditioners on your boat, if this is helpful, I'm happy. Thanks.